Quick overview of the exhaust setup. That's the Pro Charger. P1 SC is 3/4 pulley, making about 15 pounds of boost. VK Shorties on lethal performance off-road legs. Just basically a long pipe. That's all it is, with no cat in it. All right, now we're under the car. All right, first thing you're gonna see, that's the other half of the lethal performance off-road leg, and right there is your downstream O2 sensor. In front of it, that is a check engine light defouler. It's called a mini cat, basically. Check engine light mini cat. It's got a little bit of mesh inside of it, makes the O2 sensor think it's there. Think the catalytic converter's there. So that's it right there. The shiny thing, that's a Jones resonator. I think this is key to making the way it sounds. That chases behind that, you see, it's all welded up. I changed this exhaust so many times, so yeah, it's a bunch of pieces. All right, behind that is a cheap eBay aluminized xpipe. That's all that is. A cheap eBay xpipe. Brent made it very clear to make sure it's aluminized when I had it. Yes, Brent came up with this exhaust. A lot of people have asked me, oh, your exhaust. No, this is not my exhaust. This is Brent Hecht. He has a 3-valve now. I forgive him for it, but that's fine. All right, and right there, Magnaflow, 2 mufflers, Magnaflow resonators. That xpipe goes right into there. And that's pretty much it after that. Because after that, I'll show you guys. You see, there's a Magnaflow 2 mufflers. That right there, I think it's the only piece of stock pipe I have left in this car. That was into these Amazon white pipe. I paid like 20 bucks for them each on a white pipe. Into these. These are 2018 GT tips. A friend of mine gave me the mufflers. Took it to a muffler guy. He said, cut them off. I just want the tips. And that's it. Hey, honestly, it's a simple exhaust, but it works. And to me, my opinion, it's the best sounding exhaust you can make on a V6. Is it loud? Yep. Is it drony? Yep. Does it sound good? Yep. This is the setup. I hope you enjoyed the clips. Hope if you have any questions, hit it up, subscribe, comment, let me know if you need any more information. If you hit me up on my Instagram, I could link you any of the parts. Alright, I'm going to show you guys, I guess, let you guys hear the drone with this exhaust setup. Right now, about 60 miles an hour. Right now, this is typically no drone. But at 80 miles, let me see if let me just rev it up. Let me go down to 50.